Hi, my name is Kyle Peterson. I am Associate Professor of Accounting and the James F. and Shirley J. Rippey Research Scholar. I've taught accounting to every level of student at Lundquist, from intro to majors, masters, and PhD students. Before I got my own PhD in accounting at the University of Michigan, I was a management consultant in Boston and then was a founding member of a small startup healthcare company.
Hi, my name is Michelle Henney, and I am the Bashaw Senior Instructor of Accounting here at the U of O's Lundquist College of Business. I am a graduate of the doctoral program here at the U of O, a proud duck. I'm also a licensed certified public accountant in the state of Oregon. I have had a CPA license for 34 years, OMG. During that time, I've done a lot of tax returns and helped mostly small businesses and nonprofits with their accounting. I've been teaching accounting for almost as long, 32 years, 14 of them here at the U of O. During that time, I have taught almost every course in the accounting curriculum, and I have taught in every program we offer here at Lundquist. Accounting is arguably the most versatile major because every organization needs accounting. Whether it's a large publicly traded for-profit like Amazon or Nike, or a small private for-profit like Yogurt Extreme or Market of Choice, a non-profit like the Red Cross or the Sierra Club, or a governmental entity like the City of Eugene or the Internal Revenue Service. So if you have a passion for baseball or ballet, remember that the team or the troupe are businesses and will need accountants. You can work directly for an organization or for an accounting firm which has a number of different types of clients. You can work for a large multinational accounting firm like PricewaterhouseCoopers with offices all over the world, or a small local firm like Kernet Stokes here in Eugene. You can go anywhere in the world. Accounting is accounting, regardless of language or currency. Since choosing accounting as my major, I have never been without a job unless I didn't want one. People with strong accounting foundations can be very successful in careers outside of accounting, such as consulting and investment banking. In fact, many CEOs of Fortune 500 companies started their careers as accountants. Majoring in accounting will set you apart and will benefit you for your entire career.
Accounting is the art and science of transforming data into information. Accounting is also called the language of business because it provides a framework to help managers of an entity to communicate about the performance. Within an organization, managers will use accounting information to make decisions. For example, when Jeff Bezos of Amazon is trying to decide between using their own fleet of trucks or continue using FedEx or even replace their logistics with drones, accounting provides critical information to help make those decisions. Or when Bezos is thinking about acquiring Whole Foods, accounting information helps him understand whether the acquisition will be beneficial to the company. For example, how much will it increase Prime Pantry sales or decrease Prime Pantry costs? Outside of an organization, people also use accounting information to make decisions. When Toys R Us performance declined and the company was facing bankruptcy in early 2018, banks used accounting information to decide whether to give them additional financing. And ultimately they chose not to. And when an investor like Warren Buffett buys 12 million shares of Apple in the second quarter of 2018, he mostly uses accounting information to evaluate his investment options. Warren loves accounting, he said this many times, and apparently he loves the iPhone.
Some of the skills that you'll learn if you study accounting are communication skills. Accounting is said to be the language of business. The financial statements and other accounting information tell a story about the organization. During your time here at Lundquist, you will learn the rules governing how the story is written and presented. That common set of rules ensures that accounting information is consistent, reliable, and decision useful. The ability to translate complex concepts so that people without accounting knowledge may understand. Your coworkers and colleagues will look to you because you have an expertise that most people do not have. Your participation will be highly valued. Accounting is the original data analytics. Data analytics is all the rage now, but accountants have been analyzing data for a long time. The real talent and value-added activity is helping others understand what the analytics are saying.
Accountants have been plagued by stereotypes for a long time of nerdy and boring bean counters or number crunchers. Kevin or Angela from the TV show The Office are two good examples. These stereotypes stem from the days when accountants did all the accounting work. Today's accountant, though, has powerful computers to do much of the work a traditional accountant had to do. You are probably well suited for accounting if you're an organized and detail-oriented person. If you're a big ideas person and the details bore you, then marketing or management may be a better fit. Today's accountant has to be adept at communicating and interacting with others. Since accounting is a complex language, communication is key. Skilled accountants can express complex concepts simply to those without an accounting background. You're probably also well suited for accounting if you like to be employed after graduating. The good news is that you're going to get more involved whether you want to or not. It's such an important foundation that everyone takes introduction to financial and managerial accounting before applying to the business school. That should give you a pretty good sense for whether or not you like it. But there are other opportunities to learn more. First, if you think you might be interested in accounting, you should look into the 3+1 Accounting Pathway program. This is a special track for accounting students to earn their bachelor's degree and master's degree in accounting in just 4 years. Second, you can start attending Beta Alpha Psi, which is a student-run accounting club that meets each week. And bonus, there's pizza. Third, job shadowing is also a great opportunity. And finally, reach out to accounting faculty. We're a really friendly group and we can answer any questions you might have. Ever since my first business class in college, which was accounting by the way, I've been fascinated with business. These entities are complex and dynamic organizations and have a profound effect on our lives. With so much out there that I didn't know, I wanted to take in as much as I could about business. For me, accounting was the vehicle for that learning. It gave me a structure with which to think about all business activities and helped me peek into every nook and cranny of the business world. I've had a rewarding career in accounting, both in professional world and in academia. If I had to make the decision again, I would choose it in a heartbeat.
When I graduated from high school, I thought I wanted to be a chemical engineer. I went off to college, I took my first engineering class and failed it. I'd never failed a class before in my life. I was lost. And then I thought, business. What about business? And I took my first business class, like Kyle, it was accounting. And I found my home. I never looked back. And after 34 years, it's still serving me well. I have done accounting for large international accounting firms, little tiny local firms. I've had my own practice for almost 30 years. It has never steered me wrong. As I said early on, I made a good choice all those years ago to study accounting.